Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to look at how to use dissolve tool in ArcMap to resolve some administrative boundaries. So without further much ado, let me open the ArcGIS software so that you can see how to use this particular tool. I'm just going to add my shapefile. So this shapefile for Kitui County, and Kitui County is one of the 7 counties here in Kenya. I'm just going to open the attribute table so that you can have a look at the data. So look at this data. We have this sublocation is the smallest administrative unit in this particular file. These names for sublocations, and followed by location, and the division. We have the district, so they go in that rank. And then after district, then we have constituencies, and then we have province. So if we open or let me just select. Let me use the select tool to show you. So this let us use this particular tool, this identify tool. So if you select this particular shapefile, you can see the sublocation name is Ntonguni. You can see you have all the details, the division name, Mutomo, and so on and so forth. So let me deselect that particular. So we're going to dissolve several administrative units. So in order to dissolve in cartography, dissolve is part of generalization. So in order to find the dissolve tool, you can either click at the menu bar at the top here, you can just select processing, and there you can find your dissolve tool. Another way of locating that tool is to use the search. You can just type in dissolve tool, that, and then click enter. And another method is by just opening the Arc toolbox, and then go to data management tool, then find the generalization, then you'll find this dissolve tool. So I open this file again. You can see you have the SL name, means the sublocation name. So you're going to dissolve this sublocation name into location. So the input features the Kitui. So after adding, we're going to select where we're going to store our data. It's going to create another folder, new folder, and I'm going to call it allocation. Like that. So the shapefile, I'm going to call it allocation. That. So if you need to dissolve small administrative unit, under dissolve fields, you select a higher administrative unit. So like in this particular case, we have, if you go by rankings, we'll start the lowest or the smallest administrative unit is the sublocation, then followed by location. So we're going to choose the location name. So the location name, location, then we're going to choose location name. As I told you, so if you open this in the attribute, you'll be able to see that location is the second last or the second smallest administrative unit. So I'm going to select location name. This actually, the loc name stands for sublocation name. Is that in ArcGIS you need you do not need to have long characters. So just going to click OK. Give it time to process. And so now we have the location. The process is complete. If I deselect that, you can see we have our sublocation map. We have the location, sublocation, location. So let's dissolve. Let's investigate the data again once again. So we have, after location, now we have the division. Let us now dissolve this location into division and see what we will get. So once again, we're going to just open your processing and choose dissolve. The data is going to be Kitui. I'm just going to add the folder division. Like that. Then we're going to, since we want administrative boundaries for division, we'll select the division. So we're going to dissolve all the administrative boundaries that are lower than the division boundary. So just going to select the division name. And before you do some of this processing in ArcGIS, you need to understand your data well. We click OK, and you can see the processing is taking place, and the process is complete. Now you see, now we have the division, and under division we have location, under location we have subdivision. You can also go ahead and dissolve this division to district. Let's try that once more. This time let us use the toolbox. Now, because you're going to solve division, you're going now to select district name like that. Let us add another folder like that. Then we leave the district name checked, and then you click OK. And we realize that we only have two districts. We can choose to label our data. Go to properties and choose the label. The label field is district name. That's okay. Now let's look at division. Let's try to label let's see if the label field is correct. We want the division name. That's okay. And location name. Okay, let's label it and check that. You can see how our data is now getting messy. We try to label this the subdivision or the sublocation. Sorry. You can see now we have a sublocation. So that's how we first of all and check that. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in the next tutorial. Have a nice time.